Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters, my dear colleagues in Chechnya and the whole Northern Caucasus. My name is Dr. Yangbay from United Kingdom. Whole world is going through difficult times at the moment because of this coronavirus crisis, and every member of our society, medical professionals, doctors are doing their best to protect and preserve as much lives as possible. I am very confident that you are also providing your humble contribution in this battle in your country and in your hospitals. I would like to express my solidarity in this battle with you, with your country, with your hospitals. I would like to wish you to stay healthy, to stay strong, and continue fighting until final victory over this disaster. Inshallah, we'll be back to our normal lives soon. Jazakallah khair.